add your onions and let them sweat. So these are the ingredients: some soy mince, some tomato paste, green pepper, brown onion soup powder. At this point, your ingredients have sweated for a few minutes and you've added your spice of choice. I added Portuguese chicken seasoning. From here, add dried Italian herb seasoning. I'm heavy-handed with that. From there, let your soy mince brown. You must let it brown until the texture has changed a little bit. From there, you'll add some tomato paste. I added 70 grams of it and one medium-sized onion. And this is the end result.